So hello everybody, warm welcome, good morning to around the world, wherever you are in USA or Europe or in Asia or yes, wherever you are. I wish you a wonderful, great day. I hope you step well, sweet dreams, and you are ready and fit for a new trading day. I'm proud to present this video in the name of XM Brokers, xm.com, one of the best broker worldwide and one of the biggest broker in Asia. And if you go on my homepage, DowHow-trading.com, there you will find under my row partner the link to open an account. And if you open an account there, and if you will make live trading, then you have the possibility to get a free access to of 2 months about my trading and education service. So welcome on Markets on Wednesday. We want to have our DowHow outlook based on our special rules. Let's see. First of all, we want to have the Dow Jones, and you can see here. First of all, I use the Heikin Ashi version because the single candle is not important for me, because I'm a trend trader and I want to make trades outcoming of the correction in direction of the trend, because a trend continuation is more likely than a trend break. And always you can see my indicator on the right side. It's a mark price indicator and a market profile indicator, and the direction is always back to the fair price. Green is the unfair value zone, the red is the fair value zone, and every market has the attitude to go back into the price, into the fair value zone. They go down or up and away from the point of control, but they always go back to the point of control. And you can see that was the last low here during the Christmas days, and we saw this low 21,000 roundabout, and now you can see the way goes back into the red zone. Today is Wednesday, and we want to see if we have some opportunities for making trades, and we have to make sure that the bigger trend is always supporting us by a trend, by a divergence, or by a great support or resist. And here you can see we have a trend. We were in the correction. Now a trend continuation is more likely than a trend break. This is the optional. This is the best opportunity for our 5-minute chart. But, and that's the problem, if we switch to the 5-minute chart, you can see, of course, we have a long trend, but look at the market and the price profile, the market profile indicator, and you can see we are in the unfair value zone above the point of control. So, and if we want to make long trends in hourly and in the 5-minute chart, we need a price at the point of control or lower, but not above, because the possibility is always that the price will go back to the point of control. So this is not a chance for us today on Wednesday to make trades in 5-minute chart if you use this trading approach. I know there are a lot of setups around the world. They are very profitable, they are very successful. This is very normal. So I'm a very easy trader. So my trading approach is based on trend and market profile. I need the information if I have a trend or not, and if I have a fair value price or an unfair value price. And if I have a fair value price, I don't have to do anything. If I have an unfair value price, then I know the direction. But in this special case of the Dow Jones, you can see we have composite tested directions, because the hourly chart is facing upwards in direction of the fair price zone, but the 5-minute chart also an uptrend, but away from the fair price zone. This is below, so no trade in this case about my trading approach. Let's switch to the Nasdaq in the hourly chart. First of all, in hourly chart, because we want to make sure always to make sure that the greater or the bigger trend is supporting us. Again, 3 templates we have to use: a trend, outcoming of the correction, or divergence. Then we can make corrective trades, or we have a great support or resist very close to the currently price. So actually we see this uptrend here. We saw the rebound at the point of low. This is very good, and we have to now we have the opportunity to go long into the point of control at around about 6,860 points. So, but now we have to switch to the 5-minute chart. And here we are. We have in the same situation as in the Dow Jones. We are in the unfair value zone and above the point of control. So if we want to make long trades, for especially in 5-minute chart, we need a price at the point of control, and this is very far away from the currently price at around about 6,229 points. And if we have a price at that point, you can switch to the hourly chart, then you will see we have a very far price away, or very far away from the currently price, and then we don't have a trend anymore. So what's the result of that analysis? Of course, we don't have a chance to make trades in the Nasdaq as well. Let's switch to gold. Of course, always first the view, the outlook at the hourly chart, and here you can see we have a currently downtrend with actually the prices in the correction. So the last correction zone is placed between $1,286 up to $1,290. As long as the price doesn't leave that point to the upper side, a trend continuation to the downside is always more likely than a trend break. So now we have to wait. If you will see here balanced candles, that we can assume that the correction is over and the trend continuation to the lower side is likely then. So now in 5-minute chart you have to wait, because we need a price. We want to go short right now, right? We want to go short, then we need a price at the point of control or higher. Not in the lower green zone, always at the point of control or in the higher or in the upper green zone. So we have to wait. No chance in gold, always based on my trading approach. That's the big situation here. Okay, gold. Then let's see euro against the US dollar. You see, we have a long trend, the same situation as yesterday, and you see a trend continuation, but we are in the upper unfair valued zone, and in this price zone we need a short trade and a short trend, because we want to go back to the point of control. So no chance to make trades there. And in the 5-minute chart you see a similar situation. We are in the upper green zone. We need a switch there, then we can make short trades. But first of all, we need in the euro, in the hourly chart, a short trend, then we can make trades in 5-minute chart. So let's see US dollar against Japanese yen. Here we can see a bigger chance, because we see this uptrend actually in the correction, and as long as the price doesn't leave the point of this point 108 Japanese yen, as long as the price doesn't leave this point, we can assume that the trend continuation is more likely than the trend break. And additionally, we see a price here in the green lower side, in the green area on the lower side, so the direction up to the point of control is more likely than go down. And with this in our mind, we can switch to the 5-minute chart, and That's the problem. You are in the upper side of the unfair value zone, and to make long trades, we need a price at the point of control or lower. So we have to wait until the price will go back or go more down, but not lower than 108 Japanese yen, because if the price goes down and will break this trend, then we have no trend and we have no support from the hourly chart. So as you can see, in the main markets we have similar situations. We have the one or the other chance, but not yet. And this means take care and be patient, stick on your rules. That's a question of discipline. And yes, another calm day. And this is what I want to say. That's the reason why I work together with XM, because we have the similar attitude about education. If you want to be successful in trading, you need rules. You need successful rules. But it's a question of discipline. And you can be successful in trading, but only if you stick to your rules. And this is the question of discipline. That's the topic, the main topic in trading. So no chances today, stay calm or look to another chance. And I want to invite you to our English webinar this evening at 6 o'clock p.m. And we talk about the market, some trading chances in hourly chart and daily chart, and we are talking about the business plan. So I hope you learned something a little bit about my trading approach. If you have some question, visit my homepage DowHow-trading.com. You can switch from German to English. Everything is available in English. And if you have a question, let me know and write me an email. I hope you will have a successful day, and with this in our mind, I wish you a lot of success, a great day, and take care, and be careful about your thoughts, because they are the beginning of your actions. Bye bye, take care, and enjoy the rest of your day.